Well, hello. In this video, I want to talk about a new program that has just launched, guys. That we got a new program. Well, actually, it's been around for several weeks now, but it's new to me, and I could not be more excited about it. It's called M80 Advertising, a chance to advertise your business, and I believe it's a very phenomenal opportunity to exponentially grow your income and use this on the front end to advertise whatever you're doing. We're going to talk about what we believe you can make with this program. Of course, income disclaimer, in life nothing happens till you take action. And you do a lot of it. Guys, the potential here is endless, and could not be more excited. We're going to walk around and show you the video, show you a couple things about this program, and show you why I'm excited, show you what we've got going on, how we're going to use this program on the front end to advertise any of our home-based business. It solves the problem that 98% of the marketers face today, and I'll tell you about that all on the other side. Hey folks, M80 Advertising is going to be a phenomenal opportunity. But before we jump into this program, guys, make sure you check out the channel. I have done several videos on how this program works and what you can potentially do with it to exponentially grow your income. Phenomenal. Very excited about it. And the way it works is a no-brainer. The product, your way to advertise your business. And we have built in Autoresponder, lead capture page, and the value here is incredible, so I could not be more excited. We're going to go over this in just a minute, but check out the channel, guys. My channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. We're going to use M80 advertising on the front end, to market all these opportunities on the back end. This is upfront, in your face, get paid today money. So we're very excited about that. We're going to watch this video here, guys, this explainer video. It does all the selling explaining for you, so you never have to. And everybody gets access to this website. This will be your page. Well, it will explain the program. When you join M80 Advertising, the company provides us a capture page, and I'll show you what that capture page looks like. And guys, this is what the lead capture page looks like. Very excited about that. Everybody gets a capture page that looks like this. And when people come and they see your site, they'll click here. They'll fill out the information. It will take them to this page here, the explainer video. The video will explain it. It will explain it for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, getting you signed up. So we're very excited the way they got this set up. And the system has a built-in autoresponder, which it has email follow-up. So if people don't join you the first time that they see it, as they get the drip campaign, they will partner, and that's exciting. We're fired up about this program, guys, because it's going to, again, solve 99% of the problem that marketers have. This is money on the front end. That you can help market any program that you're operating, and you get paid to advertise your business. We get 7,500 banner and text ads per month, Google retargeting, Facebook retargeting. Again, we get the built-in autoresponder, and I could not be more excited about those text ads and those banner ads that we can place to advertise to other members. Very excited about this platform, and let me show you this here, guys. When we go over here, this is the matrix that we've got. It's a 2x10 forest matrix. This thing's incredible. Pays out $2 for everybody that's in the matrix, and that is incredible to me. Again, not 50 cents, not 75 cents, $2 per person. Let that resonate with you guys. I'm telling you what, that trumps a lot of things that's out there. Very excited about that. So as we're putting people into the matrix, guys, it's a forest matrix. 2 on your first level, 4 on the second. On the next level, you got 8, 16. And guys, we're putting people in. And what we're going to do, we're going to start driving good quality traffic, not junk traffic, not bots, but quality traffic. We're going to show you how to get a lot of it to your website. Very excited about that, guys. As you're getting traffic, guys, I would encourage you to make sure you know your traffic resources. Get quality traffic, guys. Don't send junk traffic to your site. Send good quality traffic so that we may win together. And when people see this, it's going to resonate with them. Again, guys, check out some of these videos about how this program works. I did several videos, and we'll continue to do them so you get a better understanding. If you have any more questions, guys, you can always reach out to me, and I can get all your questions answered. But M80 advertising is going to be incredible. We're going to watch this video in just a second. Let me slow down. We're going to watch this in just a second. But guys, this matrix is powerful. You $75 will get you in the door, $75. And you're going to get $25 per month on everybody that you personally refer. $25. Let that sink. Guys, you can build an incredible monthly income with this program. And $50 you're going to get for every personal up front. $50 for every person you personally sponsor in this program. Guys, that's incredible, and that adds up fast. We get paid out. You can join the program. You can pay through Cash App, Zelle, credit card, and they even got a way, guys. We don't even want your credit card on file. There is a way to have enough money in your bank to take care of your monthly fee. That's phenomenal. Genius the way they got this thing set up. So I could not be more excited about it. And people are getting excited and getting fired up. This is going to be a game changer in the way that we advertise our business. This is going to be a game changer in the way that we're working home. Jose's fired up about it. Greg's fired up about it. And I could not be more excited. Now, Greg, guys, is working on a marketing system that is going to be team specific for our team. You're going to get access to this right here. He's having a video. This is in addition to what the company has already done. Folks, we are going to give you all the tools and resources that you can have people come into your website and let them make an informed decision 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whether or not to partner with you. And the video will do all the selling, telling, explain. It's coming soon. This is what it's going to look like, guys. Look at that. That is absolutely astounding. I'm excited about it. Could not be more fired up about it. We're going to watch the video, how this works. In another video, guys, I'm going to show you how to place your ads. I'm going to show you how you can use this product and how you can win. Guys, let me tell you, $75 get involved. Guys, I, again, buy about $400 to $500 worth of traffic every month. This is a no-brainer for a lot of you marketers that are out there. And for those of y'all that want a home business, this is a no-brainer on getting involved with this program. And the 100% check match, 100% check match after your fourth person on all your personal referrals. Folks, this could be a barn burner. Could be very excited about it. We're going to watch this video, guys, and we'll go from there. I'll come back to you and I'll close out the video. But M80 Advertising, if you're watching it, guys, get involved. Let's go today, and let's get to moving.
Everyone to the M80 Advertising explanation video. This video should only take about 5 minutes. This is a very simple concept. It's going to be easy to understand, easy to explain, and more importantly, easy for you to make money. We want you to get your advertising for free. We want it to be an advertising source for you that actually works. But we most importantly want you to be able to make money promoting this advertising source. So A, get customers, and B, make money doing it. Sounds like a pretty cool idea, right? Well, let's get right to it. So, the first slide says, how can I advertise? Well, what we do is we charge all of our members $75 a month to advertise in our platform. That $75 for their first month gets them a free back office in our back office. It gives them a duplicating link so they can send out all this information to all their fellow networkers. It gets them a back office that shows them their pay, their members, their leads. We have autoresponders. We have all kinds of cool stuff back there that's completely free for everyone that joins M80 Advertising. $75 a month pays for 7,500 credits for you to use on our platform to promote a text ad or a banner ad or multiple text ads and multiple banner ads of your choice. You have 7,500 credits. You can divide them into as many ads as you like. If you have 10 businesses and you want to advertise 10 different businesses back here, very cool. Give each business 75 or 750 credits and advertise them all, or one business 7,500 credits, however you want to do it. We want it to work for you. So there are 3 ways that you can actually make money here at M80 Advertising. All of them have to do with duplication, multiplication, more members. That's how all of this stuff works. We all want to grow, we all want to prosper, and we all want to make money. So let's say that you just want to come in here and you only want to advertise. You don't want to tell a single soul about it. You just want to sit here and figure out a way to advertise for free. Hopefully we got that down too. Every member that gets into this business, no matter how they get into this business, you make $2 off of. Over 2,000 members can be in a 2x10 matrix, so you can easily make over $4,000 per month each and every month with a full matrix. Now that is one way to get paid. People falling into your matrix. Doesn't matter how they get in, spillover, you put them in, somebody you put in puts them in. They get in, you get paid. This by far is the easiest one to explain. This is the second way you get paid. For every single person you put in the matrix, you show them this video, you introduce them to this program. However you do it, you get paid $25 per person per month, period. Doesn't matter how many you put in. You put in 1, you put in 100. Same money. Same money next month, same money the month after that. It's always the same. $25 per person per month. Okay, the third way. The third way is the most complicated way, and it is the most lucrative way, because it does create an unlimited income for you. So let's get started. For every single person you put in this business, as before, you make $25. On this video, we're going to talk about what happens when you put your fourth personal person in this business, or your fourth customer. When your fourth personal customer gets in this business, you will make $25 off each one of them, but now you also get a 100% matrix check match on all 4 of those matrices. So your fourth person comes in, the pinball drops. Every single person from now on that gets in the first person, second person, third person, or fourth person's matrix, you earn $2 on. If they're stacked up, you can earn multiple payments on people entering your matrix. There's a video out there called Stack the Match that I made that's really kind of cool for people that really want to get started fast and make as much as they can off this. I welcome you to check out that video. But 4 people and you get 100% check match. So just remember, 3 and it's free, 4 and get paid a whole lot more. So how do you get paid? Well, we use Cash App. You can just go in your back office and fill out the Cash App logo you've got. Most people use their name. You can use Bitcoin. We have a wallet back there that you can request money from that wallet. We have a Ethereum wallet you can request money from. We also do, PayPal. So if you're in Canada and you like PayPal, hey, we got you covered. If you are international, Bitcoin, Ethereum, if you like PayPal or Cash App, they're available. So what we're trying to do is cater to everyone. We want to make sure that everyone can get in the business and pay us, and more importantly, we can pay you. So this is how we pay everybody. The next video is pretty cool too. I guess I said next video, I meant next slide, but here we go. We're proud to announce that everyone promoting our business qualifies for instant daily pay. So using any one of the 4 ways of getting paid that we just mentioned on the last screen, you can use over here to get paid every single day. Now, we want everyone on this call and everyone that ever gets into this business and everyone that is ever involved here to know that they don't have to put their credit card in their back office to keep their $75 membership active. What we do is we will take $75 from your first month's profit to pay for your second month's membership. That way you don't have to have a credit card on file. And if you don't quite make $75, contact the back office. We have some things we can do to help you out. We want everyone here to prosper. That's why we invented this. We hope you can come in here and figure out how to finally make some money in this industry. It's all about duplication, folks. I tried to make a video that really helps everybody understand it. So, all the 3 ways to get paid, but most importantly, we want you to know that as soon as you earn money here, we're going to give you that instant daily pay. We're asking for you to trust us long enough for you to make the money you deserve. As soon as you earn a penny, we'll pay you that penny. Thank you very much.
So, guys, what a phenomenal video that we just had one of our leaders show, and I could not be more excited, guys. Let me just hone in again on some of the highlights in that video that Curtis just shared with us. Very powerful. Go back and look at the video one more time, guys. Again, you can earn over $4,000 without having any personal referrals. That's up to you. I do encourage you to show it to people, guys. It sells itself as advertising. You can advertise any home-based business. This is a business in a box, a business in itself. It makes all the sense in the world. To all of our friends that are in the supplement grid, Live Good, Exodus Elite, all these other businesses that we're currently running and Leverage Profit System, we currently invite you to come and utilize this platform to market your business and to grow your business so that while we're waiting on our monthly commissions, we can get paid almost daily in this program as the commissions come available in your bank in the back office. Great products, get paid 3 ways. The 2x10 Force Matrix. Again, we have a team website that's coming. We're building a website right now. Earn $2 for everybody that's in the matrix. Guys, you're double dipping when you get this program on the front end. And then on the back end, you're marketing our long-term residual programs like, again, the supplement grid, again, the Live Goods, those that we're building to the income of our dreams, guys. It is exciting to offer this program here. Earn $50 for every personally sponsored member, $25 for every member in the month, a 100% check matching bonus. And, hey, live calls are coming. It's a global opportunity. We have available Elite Capture Page, Autoresponder, List Builder, and Emailer, Team Viewer, Facebook retargeting ads. So very excited about it. And we're going from there. Now, if you are an advanced marketer and you do a lot of traffic, I do suggest that you come over and get like a capture page from my capture page that I'm currently using. And now, if you are an advanced marketer and you're thinking about running a lot of traffic to your system, I do suggest you do like through a third party of like my capture page rather than sending it through the company link, because we want good quality traffic, guys. And then when they opt into my site, it goes to this explainer video once they opt into my page. So if you're going to run a ton of traffic, I encourage you to use this. But, you know, just up like 200 clicks or something like that, you can run it to the company page. But we want to make sure that we are running quality traffic to the page. But, yeah, I am running to the system here. They're putting the name and email address in there and going there until Greg gets the other site going. So this is a no-brainer, guys. I would encourage you to get in. I've got people looking at this thing left and right. When they opt into my capture page, guys, my capture page has pre-built email autoresponder messages. Again, I opted into my own site, guys, and when I click on it here, I got email from myself. It goes, bam, back to the page. Let me show you guys what's possible. And I'm almost off the video. Let me get off the video. Could not be more excited, folks, as to what we've got here. Look at this. I've got 3 people that have just joined as of recording this video within the last 24 hours. Get in this thing, guys. This matrix is moving, and it just makes all the sense in the world to market this on the front end, on the back end, our long-term residual programs. All right, guys, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps in the ranking of the video. Let's go. It's go time. This year's going to be incredible. We want to invite you to come along with us. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.